Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are going to be reading chapter 6 of the Islamic Studies textbook. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. The messengers of Allah, Rasulullah. In normal conditions, Allah does not speak to man directly. He does not tell each one of us separately to do this and not to do that. Allah's way to tell us to do things or not to do them is through His prophets and messengers. He chooses a person to receive His message. The person who receives this message becomes the messenger of Allah. Allah sends His message to the messenger through Angel Jibreel alayhi salam. The messenger then gives this message to people. Allah sent prophets and messengers to different people at different times. They spoke to people in Allah's name and guided them. The prophets and messengers of Allah were men. They were noble people. The first prophet was Adam alayhi salam. The last prophet was Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Some other prophets were Nuh alayhi salam, Ibrahim alayhi salam, Ishaq alayhi salam, Yaqub alayhi salam, Yusuf alayhi salam, Musa alayhi salam, Harun alayhi salam, Dawood alayhi salam, Yahya alayhi salam, and Isa alayhi salam. These are the notes for chapter 6, and the first part is complete the following sentences. Question 1. Allah sends His message to the messengers through Angel blank alayhi salam. Based on the textbook, the answer you could have gotten is Jibreel alayhi salam. Question 2. Allah sent prophets and messengers to different blank at different blank. Based on the textbook, the answers you could have gotten is people and times. Question 3. The first prophet was blank alayhi salam. Based on the textbook, the answer you could have gotten is Adam alayhi salam. Question 4. The last prophet was blank sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Based on the textbook, the answer you could have gotten is Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. The next part is answering the question. Question 1. Name some of the prophets Allah chose to guide people. The answers you could have gotten is Nuh alayhi salam, Ibrahim alayhi salam, Ishaq alayhi salam, Yaqub alayhi salam, Yusuf alayhi salam, Musa alayhi salam, Harun alayhi salam, Dawood alayhi salam, Yahya alayhi salam, Isa alayhi salam, Adam alayhi salam, Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, and more. For example, Salih alayhi salam is not on here, but he was a prophet. Main idea. The main idea of this chapter is to explain how Allah communicates His guidance to humanity. Allah does not speak directly to individuals. Instead, He chooses specific people to be His prophets and messengers. These chosen individuals receive Allah's message through Angel Jibreel alayhi salam and then convey it to the people. The chapter highlights that prophets and messengers were noble men, starting from Adam alayhi salam and ending with Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. It also lists several other significant prophets such as Nuh alayhi salam, Ibrahim alayhi salam, Musa alayhi salam, and Isa alayhi salam. Assalamu alaikum.